What up though, Roddy Rod, Big Business. Last video of the day. Let's check out Homeboy. Now if you saw me do the Amir reaction, this is one of the members. His name is Mr. Jones. And hey, he raps. So this is hip hop now. Now I'll be getting in it. This song is called Demolition Man, and he has the title Donald Trump Diss. So all y'all I guess y'all don't like people dissing Donald Trump, y'all gonna get mad right now. I ain't got nothing to do with it yet. I ain't heard the song. So let's get into this, man. Let's see what we got going on here.
And we won't even begin to talk about his disastrous tax plan. 3 million Americans will be kicked off health insurance under the Republicans and President Trump's proposed replacement for the Affordable Care Act. This is only a slight improvement over the 26.
Damn, he ain't let him finish. I don't hear nothing else.
Has there ever been a less qualified man for the office of the presidency, folks? Not my lifetime, at least. Not my lifetime.
What's it? Not the TV, man. What the... Just change the channel, man. Political. Uh-oh, okay. Got syllables.
Time to knock shit down. In a world where Donald Trump is my president, I guess the state of the nation is quite evident. You may have America, but this is Sparta. Trust me, you ain't making America great again. Racism, misogyny make America hate again. Your statutes are giving me a feel more on liar. The Statue of Liberty should set New York on fire. This and every time you talk, I'm appalled. Make the Lincoln Monument stand and walk through the mall. I ain't scared of you and your clan, I walk through them all. Try to plaster me with hate, okay, I walk through the wall. I was asleep now, I am awake. I'm high and irate. It's more than a minor debate. The guys are fake. I hope the blip flying deflate. Trump shit, you better jump shit. Republic's on fire, escape. The damn nation trying to walk straight like you ain't a crook at all. Won't give it a rest, yeah, I say we book them all. All shit, raw shit, but I'm trying to cook them all. Ain't fucking with Donald Trump. Ain't fucking with Mike Pence. Ain't fucking with Carson. He never picket the white fence. Ain't fucking with Jeff Sessions. Ain't fucking with Kanye. Ain't fucking with Kellyanne. She moving to Conway. Ain't fucking with Paul Ryan. He was never Team Trump. Now he is, man, y'all lying. Once one goes down, the rest are quicker to fall. I'll be a home wrecking nigga to y'all.
Demolition Man. I need another verse. I need another verse. I'm trying to see. He said something about he has to line about pyramid schemes.
History the year was 16. You made off. Made victory of pyramid schemes. Once the secret surface, the secret service gonna happen. You made off. Now in my way off. History the year was 16. You made off. Made victory of pyramid schemes. Once the secret surface, the secret service gonna have to be on him after when he get nervous. I was asleep now. I am awake. I'm high and irate. It's more than a minor debate. The guys are fake. I hope
got bars.
Flying deflate. Trump shit, you better jump shit. Republic's on fire, escape.
Yeah.
The damnation of a nation. Not just the old man.
The damnation of a nation.
Administration and anyone with any kind of affiliation and anyone feeling those we need a voice can Matt Lau with back hours or put in the call to Jack Bauer or call Eric Carter to look at y'all trying to walk straight like you ain't a crook at all. Won't give it a rest, yeah, I say we book them all. All shit, raw shit, but I'm trying to cook them all.
Don't give it a rest. Hey, another dude dope.
Ain't fucking with Donald Trump.
Dude dope. Dude's dope. I want the third verse. I mean, the video was already 6.5 minutes long because the intro. And I hope that TV was already bad, man. I hope you smash TV, man. With all respect, smash the TV ain't gonna stop this shit. I don't know what the fuck gonna stop this shit. It's a messed up time, man. It really is, man. Don't get me wrong. All politicians are crooked. You know, it's in their name, lie. You know. So, but this is crazy, man. It is that crazy that so many people are coming out with. It's not just rappers. It's not just black people. It's not just Mexicans. I mean, it's not just women. That's everybody. Like, dang. who sat like who does this guy fight for then? Shit, he ain't fucking with nobody who ain't white. Yeah, not the blacks, not the Hispanic, not the women. You grabbing them by the pussy, like not the homosexuals. Damn. This can't go on for 4 years, man. This can't, man. Like, this shit gotta stop. He gotta get out here soon. Like he can't. It can't go on another year. Isn't it? I don't know. Like I said, I don't get into politics. It's not even about. This shit ain't even about the politics. This is just. Anyway, Mr. Jones, that was dope. B was cool. Versus was hot. Spitting on that shit. I wanted the third verse to bring it home. Yeah. I feel the message. Just like everybody is talking about this, man. That's how crazy he is. Alright, anyway, I focus that, man. Make sure you go to his page up. Link in the description. His page up and subscribe. Same thing with Amir. Him up and subscribe. I'm gonna have to check out some more stuff, man. But for now, hit my like button, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. As always, big business. I holler. Yep.